guys, okay, so it's day 6 of our vacation here in Florida, and we are now leaving Orlando and the lovely Disney World and headed towards Clearwater, and we're going to be staying at the Hilton Clearwater Beach Resort. So just a 1.5 hour drive about until we get there. Then we're going to be staying there overnight, and then tomorrow we'll be headed back over here to Orlando to take off to go home and end our 7-day vacation. Okay guys, and we're at the end of the hallway. This is gonna be our room. Let's turn on some lights. Okay, so as we enter, got closets to the side. We got our safe. Got our ironing board, and we've got our luggage holder. Okay, and this is your average size bathroom. It's not huge, but it's not bad either. Look at the faucets on the side instead of on the front. That's pretty unique. Got a walk-in shower. With a full-size vanity. Okay, and then this is the room. And we are currently on the 8th floor, so not too bad. It's about the middle of the hotel. So there are 14 floors. Okay. Then let's check out our view. Oh, look at that. Okay, so we have our own balcony, which overlooks the beach. It's not a full beach facing balcony, but still see the beach, which is not bad at all. It smells so good out here too. Something's cooking that smells so good. I think it's from the restaurant below. So yeah. And before we checked in, we went on the beach, and the sand is super soft and it's super cool to the touch. So no burning your bare feet when walking on it. Okay, and then back into the room. And this is us entering the water, which, by the way, is freaking freezing. This is the beach in December.
You gotta feel my feet. Make my feet too.
The feet in the water. Freezing, ice cold water.
It's actually not so bad when you're like in there.
It's getting in there, that's the part. Hey guys, we're on the beach, chilling to a sunset and having some great shrimp tacos and house-made chips. I'm gonna try these chips. Here you go. Alright. They're so fresh, crispy, so good. So flavorful. These shrimp tacos. Shrimp tastes fresh. Ooh, that's spicy. So these are spicy shrimp tacos. They're just the best. I'm gonna get that weird. Okay guys, we're having dinner at Carambola, which is inside the Hilton Hotel. This is the menu. So we are going to have the lobster bisque, the prosciutto di Parma crostini, then we're going to order the marinated lemon grilled Gulf shrimp and the seared New York strip steak. We had the boom boom shrimp earlier, which was yum yum good. So here we go. This is our view. This is our view. Okay guys, I'm gonna try this crostini. This is the prosciutto di Parma crostini. It's a poached pear crostini with mascarpone cheese. You know, I'm not a big fan of certain cheeses, but you know, this looks good. Now this is a cheese I like. It tastes like lemony. It's like a cheesecake almost. That salty sweet of the pear and the prosciutto is great. It tastes amazing. And then the lobster bisque. This is the lobster bisque. It's so good. It tastes just like clam chowder. This is the lobster bisque. Warms the soul. It's so creamy. It doesn't have any kind of seafood aftertaste or fishy aftertaste. It's great. Okay, and this is the marinated lemon grilled Gulf shrimp, and it looks like it's laid on a bed of saffron risotto and sauteed spinach, which looks amazing. Just want to gobble up that saffron risotto. This is the bread pudding with ice cream, and it is hot. This is the what? Apple fritter? What is yours?
Apple galette.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to our 7th and final day of our Florida trip. This is how we woke up. We actually just woke up early, reserved a day bed with a cabana, and we're just gonna lay out here on the beach all day long. And then after, at around noon, we're gonna head back to Orlando, have some dinner, and then we're gonna board our flight back to home. and end our vacation. And of course, we again had to get the boom boom shrimp because that was amazing the other day.